I made this chicken vegetable bowl and it was a hit. Yes, I season my chicken and then I cook it down nicely. After which I cook my black bean with some coconut milk, all-purpose seasoning, scallion, thyme, butter, salt. And then I wash and prepare my vegetables, which is avocado, lettuce, corn, tomato. Also, I use some cheese and sour cream. So this is what the chicken looks like after finished cooking. And this is my avocado right here. And this is the tomato, sour cream on the other side, along with the grated cheese. And after fixing this, this is what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Yummy, yummy.